Hi guys, for today's video I'm here with my sister-in-law Leslie. We're gonna do the blindfolded makeup challenge. I'm gonna be the one that gets my makeup done. She's gonna be blindfolded. And just a little disclaimer, she has seen my makeup maybe a few times, so when she's blindfolded I'm gonna set it up and she's not gonna know what every item is unless she feels it. So wish her luck, you guys.
I'm gonna do my best.
Yep.
I'm gonna try my hardest.
I'm excited. All right, let's get to it. So I put out all my makeup for her to just reach, and I took everything out of its packaging. My makeup brushes are not in a cup, and yes, they are dirty. And some palettes, so let's get the show on the road. All right, let's get started, you guys.
This is the first thing that is right here. I'm just gonna use it. My beauty guru now. I'm kidding. Oh, okay, I think this is primer. Okay, close your mouth like this.
Oh, sorry.
Perfect. These are it. Okay, I don't use foundation brushes, so I don't know which one it is, so I'm just gonna pick this one. Feels like one.
Okay.
I didn't even mix it. Oh. I'm pretty sure I'm doing a really good job right now.
Is this scary because you don't know where like my face is?
I feel like I'm gonna hurt you. Gotta blend it down to your neck. Okay, maybe this is under our stuff. That's not. That is not. Nope. Oh god. This is it. Okay, close your eyes. I'm scared for this one. Beautiful. Look in the camera. I think you look great.
I do.
We're gonna use this one. Do you bake?
Cookies or brownies?
Look.
Sometimes.
Okay, I think this is like the foundation powder, so we're gonna, gosh darn it. We're gonna use this to bake, and then I think this is a fluffy brush. I'm gonna use this. I think this is like foundation, that like powder one. So I'm just gonna lightly set, and then we're gonna bake. Why are you laughing?
You're doing my hair.
You have to cover up your hair too. That's like the new trend. You know, like the braided eyebrows? This is the new trend.
Oh my god, no way.
And now we're gonna bake. Okay, we're gonna use the same brush because I don't know. I hope there's already product in here. Where'd you go? Did I just hit you?
Okay, that's my fault. You look like a mime.
I was like,
that was my toe.
okay, this is the powder, right?
I don't know.
This is really challenging. Okay, I think there's powder in here. Is this powder? Yes. Okay. Where's your face? Now I'm gonna take this big palette, and I know I've seen this before. This is like your contour and blush.
But do you remember where the colors were?
Nope. So here it is. Don't know where anything's at. Let me try smell it.
What is it gonna smell like?
It smells fruity. I think it's a blush. I'm kidding. Okay, I'm gonna take the bake off. You can't leave it for that long.
Oh.
It'll burn the oven. Okay, we're done. Now we're gonna actually move in with this. So first I'm gonna do her blush, and then I'm gonna do the contour. Okay, I think this is the contour brush. I don't know where to go. We're gonna go with this one. We're just gonna carve out those cheekbones, you know? If this even is a color. Oh, it is. I think you look snatched.
I do.
Good. Now I'm gonna get This is also, I think, an angled brush. Now I'm gonna do blush. I'm gonna assume like I go from light to dark, so I'm gonna do this one. I know this is a highlighting palette. Oh, look at that, it looks beautiful. I think this is a Morphe M330 brush, I think. Okay, I don't know what color this is, but we're gonna go with this one. I hope you're glowing to the gods right now. Someone just poked me.
Hi, Ninja. Be nice. No, stop. Sorry, guys, the ninja came. It just interrupted.
I'm gonna highlight her nose. I know this is a Naked Basics palette because I have them too. I'm gonna use, and pretty sure these are all matte colors, so I'm gonna use that in her crease. Okay, we're gonna use this one. Now I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. It's by ColourPop. The shadows are all mixed up here, I'm sure. So there's no like matte and shimmer. It's like
all over the place.
So I don't know where to go. So I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna use this one. Maybe I'll mix colors. I hope that wasn't like a light color and a dark color. I'll just mix them together. That would suck. Okay, now for the lid, we're gonna go with shimmer, hopefully. Look beautiful.
I look so beautiful.
Now I have to do her eyebrows. Okay, so I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna use this first. Looks great.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eyebrows on fleek.
Should I make like a unibrow?
It does run in my family.
Okay, so I think I did that. I think you look Instagram model-y.
I do.
Okay, good. And now we're gonna...
You're gonna get me so many followers.
Great. That's oh, do your eyeliner. I forgot about that.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Okay, we're gonna do that first. I know you have two, because I watched your first video. I helped you film it.
She did.
So I know one's like better than the other, but
How are you gonna know?
I've never done eyeliner before.
You've never done eyeliner?
No.
Dang, and blindfolded? Good luck.
I got it.
Oh dang. That eyeliner's on point.
Okay, on fleek?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna do this one. There you go. Okay. I can't tell, but I think that looks good. Okay, now this is mascara. I'm scared, so close your eyes.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the trick you do that's like from your last video. And like what you do above the lashes and like, yeah. Okay, that's it for today. You're gonna use this mascara on your bottom lash. That can work.
Ah, sorry.
Did I poke in the face?
A little bit.
Sorry. Okay, the last thing is lip gloss, and I think this is a lip gloss. Am I even opening it?
Yeah.
Is anything coming out? Here's the top lip. Okay, there's no lip liner or anything, right? What are you trying to give me?
Nothing.
Oh, high five? Okay. Nothing. I go like this. Okay, I think we're done.
She is now done. She took her blindfold off and she's gonna look at me.
Holy crap!
I'm like eating my concealer.
That wasn't.
That was not lip gloss.
Oh my god.
But don't I look so beautiful? Like, look at that eyeliner right there. And my eyebrows. Damn. Oh, nice. That pimple right there.
It's beautiful.
Ugh. Dude, I just had to take that off. I'm sorry.
Look how beautiful you look.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product. If you like this video and you think it was hilarious, click the thumbs up. Please subscribe.
Follow her on Instagram.
Yeah, follow me on my Instagram. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!